What you doing? Huh? Are you sucking the grapes through the plastic?
No, I'm hungry.
I know, everybody's hungry. AJ? What are you doing?
What the fuck? Look!
Say that again? Say it again?
No.
Don't turn those things on. Age? What are you doing? Huh? Are you sucking the grapes through the bag?
Whoa!
Okay, that's enough of the grapes. I will get it. And if all else fails, just suck it out of the bag. That's brilliant.